HIV. Do you have it? How do you prevent it? Confusion about HIV and AIDS still abounds, and today I'm here to clear up a lot of speculation and misconceptions. This topic is important because listening to it will help prevent the spread and your personal contraction of the AIDS virus. I'm a reliable source because I went through and checked my facts along with other sources. Today you will learn about where AIDS was born, what the effects are, and how it is contracted, and how it is not contracted. Where was the genesis of this plague? According to the AIDS Institute, the first case was in West Africa in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, specifically Kinshasa, and that was in 1959. Scientists believe the AIDS virus to come from monkeys, which, as weird as it sounds, started with one of these little guys right here. The hunters of this area would go into the woods and get this certain breed of monkeys, and they would kill them, and if that blood, the infected blood of the monkeys, was exposed to our blood and mixed, the virus from them went to us and mutated. And that happened around the 1940s to the 1950s. The human immunodeficiency virus is a villain that disables the immunity part of the body. That's the part that keeps you from getting sick. Once the virus has set in, it makes you easily sick. Your body can pass on the virus to anyone else, just even after you're infected. When the body is broken down and is infected, and the virus attacks all of your other cells, your body goes into what we call AIDS. And that is when your body doesn't have any fight anymore, and you have to take certain medications to keep that from happening. The virus is spread through 3 different ways, one of which is coitus. I got this information from GMCH.org, and here is one of the ways that you can spread the HIV virus is through unprotected sex. Another way is through sharing needles after doing drugs and stuff like that, unclean needles. And then another way is through childbirth or breastfeeding. Now, when you have a child and you don't take the proper drugs while giving birth, you can also infect your child. And ways to not get the HIV virus is pretty much the same thing. Don't have unprotected sex, don't take drugs and use other people's needles, and plan things out. In conclusion, the life of a person with the HIV virus is a hard one. So keep your nose clean, make sure what you do is appropriate for certain aspects of your life. Make sure that you're not doing drugs and in turn using your infected needle and giving it to other people to use. Make sure if you have a child that you don't have the HIV virus, and if you do, take the proper drugs to prevent them from getting it. And certain things in life keep you from actually contracting this. In certain areas of the world, like the Congo, it's different for them because they don't have the ability to get proper medications and drugs that they need. So the spread there is a lot more intense. Like I said, in conclusion, just watch what you do and you'll be fine. Now that you're better prepared and informed on the ways to prevent the spread of HIV, go about your life